Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure widgets are available. Open Settings, go to Taskbar, and toggle Widgets on. This shows the widgets icon immediately. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account so data and preferences sync across devices. Also, make sure you grant location and notification permissions. Otherwise, live content like weather and news won't update. Now click the widgets icon to open the board and prepare to add your first widget. We'll add and configure one next. You'll now add and shape widgets to match your workflow. Open the Widgets panel and click the plus sign to add items like weather, calendar, or to-do. Choose sizes and personalize content sources. Once added, drag to rearrange or use the three-dot menu to resize or remove. If you want persistent desktop widgets rather than a panel, consider a third-party tool like Rainmeter. It lets you pin info to the desktop and control resource use, which matters for battery and performance. Finish by arranging widgets for efficiency. Pin the ones you use most to the taskbar or keep them prominent on the desktop. Make sure you don't overload live widgets. They consume CPU and memory, so balance convenience versus performance. Once done, test that content refreshes and notifications arrive. If widgets disappear or lag, restart File Explorer, run Windows Update, and sign out/in. If that fails, reinstall the specific widget app. That single troubleshooting step usually restores functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.